create a site. Enter a name and a directory for your site. If you have a domain, you can use that as well. For now, let's just use a directory. Add new site. Done. The website is complete. Let's take a look at it. This is the home page of the site. You see it looks professional, very nice images. Let's visit the blog. You see the website looks great. We have some posts here, some recent posts here. Now let's take a look at one of the posts. Notice the writing. Did you know that you can teach from your couch and make money? Yep, it's true. The content looks as if a real person wrote this. As if a real blogger who has personality and who has a pulse wrote this. This is not like the content that AI or ChatGPT typically create. You can see subheadings throughout the article, so it will be easier for people to scan it. There are also some banners on the site, here and here. You can add your affiliate link to any offer you want in these banners. It takes just seconds. We will show you some of the top offers you can use, or you can use your favorite ones as well. And when someone clicks, let's say here, and buys one of these offers, you make commission. And that's it. It's that easy.